What is engineering design? Engineering design is a process that engineers use to identify and solve problems. Engineers use it to learn important information about both the problem and possible solutions at each step or phase of the process, and is relevant to all engineering disciplines. For instance, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, aeronautical engineering. But what will happen if one will choose to ignore this process when designing something? In this case, clients with a certain need or problem will meet the engineers to find a solution. So, the first step of engineering design process is asking questions to the clients, and it can be in the form of their budget, their time frame, possible method that they might prefer, etc. And clarification is key in order to fully understand a client's situation. As for the second step, discussion is one of the most crucial part of engineering design process. Colleagues will discuss about the issue with us in depth, and it is important for us to delegate tasks to improve efficiency and quality of our design. For the third step, research the problem is the key to understand the situation in depth, which will provide some reality check for our proposed solutions, and this will enable us to design the best solution. Drawing is the fourth step in designing process, a rather simple yet crucial task for development process, as this will contain all the information and method of designing our prototype. It will help both the client and engineers to visualize and perform calculations where necessary. Building the prototype is necessary in order to help us gather relevant data for our project. It will show us the key issue of our problems and help us adjust and redesign our concept if failed. Now, the redesigning process is much easier as we now have much more data to use, and we are now able to weigh the pros and cons of each of our design based on our research and data. Finally, we have the follow-up meeting where we make presentations where we show our client the design which we think is best. If the client is not satisfied, we will have to return to step 2 until we achieve the best possible solution. If not, we are now good to go. As a summary, first we have to gather info from the client, have a discussion, do some research, plans, create a prototype, redesign, and have a follow-up meeting